Hello people, namaste and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this look. And before that, let me just tell you that I also do skincare videos where I talk about ingredients in your skincare products and why and how they work. If you're new to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you are updated every single time I upload a new video. And without any further delay, let's begin the tutorial. So I tried something for the wavy hair. Let me know if you like the results. So I will be starting today with my Erborian Pink Perfect Cream. This is going to be my primer. I'm going to take a tiny bit like a regular cream. The next thing I would do is my eye primer. I'm using Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in the shade 8. 1 dot, 1 dot, a little bit more, and then I'm going to blend it with my finger. This is going to create a barrier on your skin, on your eyelids, so that your eyeshadow doesn't crease. The next is my concealer, which is from NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Golden Honey. And I'm going to blend it with a damp beauty blender. Next concealer I'm going to use is my Age Rewind concealer, and I'm going to use it under my eyes. And I'm going back with my beauty blender to blend it. Yeah. After this, I'm going to set my eye base with the setting powder. I'm using here Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder, and it's in the shade 220 Beige. Swirl the brush lightly, tap off any excess, and lightly pat it onto my lids and under my eyes. Now my eye base is ready to start, putting some colors on. I'm wearing today again a mauve kind of a saree which has an orange border. So I was thinking that I will accentuate orange onto my lids with a little bit of deep purple. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to use two palettes today. One is my Cake Pop palette and the other one is the Beige palette, which is Let's Party. I will start with the Cake Pop palette. So I'm going to start with this color here, I think. Yes, maybe this one, yes. Just to create a base. And I will just put it onto like all over my lids. After this, I'll take a deeper orange here. Not many oranges, not many options of oranges. Okay, then I want to take this color here, this one here, little bit, slightly dark, and then just go into my crease. I think I'll just extend it onto the brow bone as well. I'll go to this palette, and this one has a really bright orange here, and I'm going to work with this. And then just start. I want to put it more. Don't worry about the harsh lines. You can always go back and blend, you know, all the outer edges of all the colors and make sure that everything is seamlessly blended. Then I'm going back to this palette and just picking up this color again and just do it under my eyes. The next I would go with a deeper purple, so I'm going to pick this shade here which says Blueberry Delight, and I'm just going to add some definition to my eyes. The next thing I will do is add a bit of an orange glitter at the beginning. Let it dry for some time. The next thing is doing my eyeliner, and I'm going to use a purple shade here today and not my regular black liner. So just for that, I'm using the same shade Blueberry Delight with a liner brush, and I'm going to mix this with a makeup setting spray so it becomes slightly wet, very light. Then I'll just dip it in the color, and I think it's ready now. The next thing is I'll do my mascara, and I'm using here Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara, and this is in the shade Black. Now I'm gonna put my lashes and I will be right back. Okay, so I finished my lashes, and the next thing I would do is start with my base makeup. I already finished my primer, and the next thing I would do is go straight into my foundation. And today I'm going to use this Huda Beauty foundation stick, and this one is in the shade 320G. This much should be enough. I hope I haven't put a lot, and yes, let me now blend this with the beauty blender. I set my makeup base with a setting powder, and I'm going back to my Fit Me setting powder, which is in the shade 220 Beige. This foundation is pretty high coverage. Okay, next thing is I'm going with my Hoola bronzer and using the brush that it came with, contour brush and just going under my jawline. The next thing is my blush, and today I'm using this Pretty by Flormer baked blush in the shade Rosy Bronze. See how beautiful this is. So I'm just going to swirl my brush twice, and this one is quite pigmented, so I just have to be careful. I'm going to start from here. And then whatever is left onto my forehead. I think I did a little bit, it's more than what I thought. So I'm going back with the beauty blender and just going over it with nothing on. If you get more product, this can help you to get rid of, but very slightly, like it will not do magic. The other thing I can do to correct this is just go back with my setting powder and just put on top of it a little bit, not much. Okay, the next thing I would do is my eyebrows, and I'm going to use this eyebrow kit from Menow Pro, and it comes with these 3 shades, black, brown, and this is something to set your brows in a certain direction, and I will mix these two just so it becomes the perfect color. Basically it matches the color of my hair. The next thing is I'm going to use the same blush as a highlighter onto my brow bone, and I'm just going to use my finger. Look how beautiful this color is. So I'm just going to take the same color and put it on my brow bone. And the next thing I will do is a lipstick, because without it this look is incomplete. Now the shade that I'm using here is from Fenty Beauty. Yes, and now I'm going to change and put on some jewelry, and we'll be right back. So this was the step-by-step tutorial, guys. Let me know if you like it. I will see you all very soon in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.